Chico and Son's got some great food, right?
Unbelievable. It's amazing.
Gonna take you down, deep down to the front line. You woke up this morning, got yourself a gun. Your mama always said you'd be the chosen one. She said, one in a million, you got to burn the shine.
Chico and Sons, and we just made the Boardwalk Empire sandwich, which I'm claiming, and it is chicken cutlets, roasted peppers, fresh mozzarella, prosciutto, and a balsamic glaze. And let me tell you, I just had one and it is amazing. Come down, say hello to Carl, and taste my sandwich.
Baby, I believe that you're feeling fine. Shake my body, moan under a bad sign. With a blue moon in your eyes, so sing it now. Woke up this morning, got a blue moon in your eyes.
We're here with Chris Caldovino, Boardwalk Empire sandwich. You know, Chico and Son's got some great food, right?
Unbelievable. It's amazing. And it has chicken cutlets, roasted peppers, fresh mozzarella, prosciutto, and a balsamic glaze. I had an idea to make a sandwich when I came, and Carl had the exact same sandwich. So it's meant to be. I ate it earlier, and it's fantastic.
I want to take a bite of your sandwich.
You're going to take a bite of my sandwich anytime you want.
The Boardwalk Empire, Chico and Son. Shout out to Chris.
How is it?
Hey. Come check it out. It's worth the journey, Chico and Son. We out.
So sad, goddamn shake my body. Woke up this morning, got a blue moon in your eyes. Listen, you woke up this morning, the world turned upside down. Lord,